In this question, we're given the diagram of a parallelogram, and we're asked what one more piece of information would we need to prove that the parallelogram is in fact a rhombus. Now let's look at the first one. The first statement says that the line BD bisects the line AC. Well, one way to prove that a parallelogram is a rhombus is to show that the two inner diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So just the fact that one of them bisects the other is not quite enough to prove that it's a rhombus. Now the second statement says that AB is parallel to CD. Well, this is kind of irrelevant because we already know we're dealing with a parallelogram, meaning the line AB and CD, those lines are already parallel. So that doesn't help us at all. We already know that's true. Now the third statement says that the line AC is congruent to BD. In other words, the distance of these two diagonals are the same. Now, that doesn't really help us prove a rhombus in any case. But the fourth one says that AC is perpendicular to BD. That is one way to prove that a parallelogram is a rhombus. In fact, it's probably the easiest way to prove that a parallelogram is a rhombus. Now, just a side note I want you to know is that if you're given just a quadrilateral and you prove that the two diagonals are perpendicular, that's not enough proof to show that a quadrilateral is a rhombus. You have to also show that it's a parallelogram and that the diagonals are perpendicular, so just keep that in mind. Anyway, that's all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.